dot company name as shipper name, right? These are the 4 columns that I want. I mentioned the 4 columns, but now I have to join one by one, right? So, uh, so we have a list of orders, right? First of all, what is the table that I will use initially? After from, I will use the orders table. Okay, I'm writing the like this, so it is easier for you to read through. Okay, you don't have to necessarily write like this, but if I write in, in a single line, it would be a lot more confusing. So if I write it like this, it is easier for you to understand what is the keyword and what is the column. So I do from orders and I do a join on join customers on orders dot customer ID is equal to customer dot customer ID. Okay, till here I have done. After this, can anyone tell me what we have to do? So actually we will do another join. Okay, we will do another join on. So we have joined orders and customer. What next do we need to join? We need to join orders. So we'll write join employees on.
Sir,
Yes,
if you're not defining here means what type of join, it's by default left join or
inner
right
join.
join? Inner
By
join.
default inner join. If I'm not defining, it is by default inner join.
Okay, so thank you.
Then I will have employees dot employee ID. So we have joined customers and orders. We have joined orders and employees. Only join that is left is the shipper table. So we will write again join shippers on orders dot ship via is equal to shippers dot shipper ID. Okay. Here it has to be customers, not customer. That is why it is showing the red line. So this is what we have. I will run this and we get all the details. So order ID, name of the customer, employee name and shipper name is what we have for all the 830 orders. Okay, actually I think there are 832 orders, but 2 of them does not have a customer name or an employee. That is why they are not visible, as we have used a inner join. Okay.
There is no limitations for join things, right?
You can join as many tables as you want.
Okay.
So I will actually cut this, and this is the answer to the solution. I'm copy pasting this in your chat box. Try this once and actually try these 2 questions. First is cross join, second is this, and then I think we can conclude for the day. So joins is an important concept. Okay.
Can you
Yes.
please copy paste in Telegram too?
Yeah, sure. Just a moment. I'll copy paste there also. So joins is an important concept. Okay.
Can you
Yes.
please copy paste in Telegram too?
Yeah, sure. Just a moment. I'll copy paste there also. So Telegram, I have, right. So join is a very important concept actually. Do try this, and today or maybe tomorrow, today mostly, I will share an assignment file which will have a set of 15 to 20 questions on the Northwind data set only. So go through it. After 3 or 4 days, I will share the solution of the same also. And that is just for your practice. Do not submit it or do something, just to you to go through the questions and solve them. If you have any doubt, if you are not able to solve them, you can ask me, or you can join the doubt solving session, whatever suits you, right? So those are some of the questions for you to practice. After completion of the entire module, you will get different projects and assignment that you have to submit. The one that I'm sharing today or tomorrow is just for you to practice and get familiar with the kind of questions and the concepts. Okay. So do these two questions, and I think that is all for today. If
How
there are
many
any doubts, please ask.
how many lectures are pending for SQL?
How many lectures are pending for SQL? I think we will need at least 3 or 4 more lectures. So we have subqueries, we have views, indexes, CTEs, and Windows function. Yeah, 5 to 6 topics are there, and I think minimum 3, but ideally 4 lectures are remaining.
Okay.
We can try these queries with different database and ask the doubts to you. Will it be okay?
Yes, you can ask any kind of doubts regarding SQL. You can use any data set. You can get different data sets online also. Like you can create them, but creating is not something that it will take a lot of time, to create data set. So better is you search for online, like the Northwind is there. You can get the file and you can import it. Similar thing you can do with other data set. The AdventureWorks data set is there. Then there are other data sets also. You will get them on GitHub or Microsoft official website. They have some demo databases. So that is what you can do. One more thing that you can do is you can actually import an Excel file also, but then you will have to combine the tables or something. So you can import an Excel file, you can import a CSV file, even you can save this result also. If you right click on this and you save result as, you can save this as a CSV file also, the result set. You can name it something and you can save.
Okay.
Okay, so do these two questions, and let me give you one question that you can do now or as homework. That is up to you. I will share the question, which is a question on self join. That is okay, not on self join. Let us see what we can do. Okay, let us do a question on self join. I will give it for you to do, and I want you to find pairs of employees where one uh, employee reports to other. Okay, so this is a classic example of what we have done in self join. So this is a self join question, and I think you are supposed to be using the employees table here, right? So let's start from employees. Let us see what we have. So this is my employee table, and I think there is also hierarchy here. So see, reports to is your manager, and your employees are here. You have to create a self join and give the name of employees and their managers who they are reporting to. Okay, so you can either do this here before leaving, or you can take this as a homework and do it yourself also. Okay, so someone has shared this in the chat box itself, so I'll copy and check if the solution is correct or not. I think Nilesh has shared this solution, so let me just copy paste it here, and we are getting this. Okay, if I were to get the ID also, it would be easier to see, but I think this is correct only because Andrew Feller is two who does not have anyone, and these guys have the fifth guy, and then Steven, who is the fifth guy, has these three people. So this is correct only. Okay, so I think that sums up our session for the day, and thank you everyone for joining. Any doubt, any questions before leaving? Anything that you want to ask?
Share this answer in chat box because even mine is not working. So I'll just
Sure,
cross check what works.
I'll copy paste. You can try, or also if you're having an issue, I'll wait for 2 to 4 minutes. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll end the session at around 10:05.